Hi guys, so this is a quick, well, it's not a tutorial because I'm not really going to speak through it, but I'm just going to show you how I quickly installed this lace front wig. I had about 15 to 20 minutes to do it. It was for a photo shoot and the photographer was nearby and I was running late, so it's a really quick throw and go using bold hole lace glue. Enjoy! And yes, I know my hands are super dry. I was washing them quite a bit with a couple of things, wigs that we were preparing. So, and I didn't lotion them before I did the video. So yes, I know my hands are super ass dry. So I'm going to use my styling mousse to lay my edges, and it is a really good foam for laying your baby hairs, flattening your hair, really keeping the style in place. It has a firmer hold than our argan defining foam, which is good for curly hair and defining the curls. So go ahead, check that product out. You can get it on our website at www.heavenlylocks.com, and it is balm.com for laying your edges. Okay guys. What wig, guys? What wig? This is growing from my scalp, like totally. Anyway, do you see how that the root is brown? That is with my lace tint. That is going to be available starting the end of May. So look out for that on our website as well. Follow us on Instagram at Heavenly Locks. Cheers!